The streaming war is officially over, and the winner isn't a Netflix show, a Disney movie, or a secret Amazon algorithm. The winner is a tiny, heavy black box sitting silently under your television, while millions of people are waking up every single day, grabbing their remote control, and screaming out of sheer frustration because their smart TV interface is lagging, freezing, or crashing for the third time in an hour. A select group of entertainment purists are living in an entirely different reality. They click a button, and the screen instantly responds. No buffering, no low-res pixelation, no intrusive flashing banner ads trying to sell them car insurance or laundry detergent right on their home screen. For years, the tech world told you that buying a dedicated streaming box was a waste of money. They told you that your built-in Roku TV, your Samsung Tizen OS, or your cheap Amazon Fire Stick was all you ever needed to enjoy the golden age of television. But they lied to you. They omitted a massive, ugly truth about how modern televisions actually work, and why your expensive smart TV is designed to slow down, degrade, and feel like complete garbage within just 24 months of taking it out of the box. If you have ever noticed that your TV takes longer to open Netflix than it used to, or if you've noticed that your audio sometimes unsyncs from the actor's lips, you are experiencing the hidden tax of cheap hardware. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the entire digital entertainment ecosystem. We are diving deep into the one device that single-handedly solves every single frustration you have ever had with your home theater. This is the complete, unfiltered reality of the Apple TV 4K. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why this device has captured a cult-like following among tech enthusiasts, why it ruins every other streaming platform for anyone who tries it, and the terrifying security reason why major TV manufacturers absolutely hate that this box exists. To truly understand why the Apple TV 4K is in a league of its own, we first have to talk about the great smart TV scam. Think back to the day you bought your current television. You walked into a store, or you scrolled through endless pages on Amazon, looking at beautiful, bright panels. You saw buzzwords like quantum dot, OLED, mini LED, and 8K capability. You spent hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on a beautiful piece of glass. Manufacturers love to brag about their display panels, but there is a dirty little secret they never print on the box. The computer processor inside your television is almost always the cheapest, weakest, most outdated piece of silicon the manufacturer could possibly find. When a company builds a smart TV, 90% of their budget goes into the screen itself. The remaining budget is stretched thin across the plastic frame, the speakers, and finally, the brain of the machine, the system on a chip. This chip is responsible for rendering the entire user interface, decoding heavy 4K video streams, processing multi-channel audio tracks, and running every single application you install. When the TV is brand new, it works decently well because the apps are lightweight. But as the months go on, apps like YouTube, Max, and Disney Plus push out heavy updates. They add previews that autoplay in the background, they add complex tracking scripts, and they redesign their interfaces to be more visually demanding. Your television's weak little brain simply cannot keep up with the bloat. It runs out of short-term memory, which causes the menus to stutter. It gets hot, which causes the system to throttle its speed.